Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this makeup look right here. This is a beautiful romantic glam look that I have created for upcoming Valentine's Day. This is my first video of the year, so I'm really excited for this video. So let's jump into the tutorial. So first of all, I am starting by using a primer on my face. I'm using Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio in Hydrate and Smooth Primer. It's number 50. I recently received this as a sample from one of the Ulta orders that I placed. I really like this primer. This is my first time using it. It's really hydrating to the skin. And then I'm going in with a concealer to kind of use as a eyeshadow base for my eyes, since I have been not getting much rest. So you can see the dark circles around my eyes is really bad at the moment. Then for my eyes, I'm going in with the Friendcation palette from Dose of Colors. This is a collaboration with Desi and Katy. I'm going in with this brownish kind of tan color, and then I'm just using this color as the base for the rest of the eyeshadows, and using a dense fluffy brush, I'm just applying it all over the lid, including the crease. I'm just using this color for the base, and then I'll put other colors on top of that. And then I'm going in with this plummy, pinky, rosy color from the palette. I'm going in for a halo eye look, so I'm just applying it on the inner and the outer corners and using the brush to kind of slowly build it up and blend the edges as well. I really like how pigmented these colors are. This is my first time using any eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors, but I really like the quality. It appears a little bit darker on my skin tone than what it appears on the palette, but I'm okay with that. I'm okay with more pigmentation. I don't have any problem with that. I didn't have much fallout as well, so I really like that. So now, as you can see, I have taken deeper chocolatey brown color to deepen my inner and the outer corner, and then I went in with the concealer again to kind of cut out the center of my eyelid. I didn't go too heavy on cutting the center, just went lightly over it just to clean out some of the colors and give it a nice base for this glittery color that I'm applying. It's a champagne color, very glittery. It is kind of sheer. It is not as pigmented as I was expecting it to be, so I had to go in with my finger, and then I'm just taking the pink color, the mauve pink color, to kind of go over and clean out the glitter and just make sure that the transition between the glitter and the matte colors are smooth. Then I went in with a NYX glitter primer, as I was expecting this champagne color to be more glamorous and glittery, so it wasn't exactly what I expected. So I went in with this glitter eyeshadow from Urban Decay Moondust palette, and I'm just using the same brush to gently apply it on top of that. Then I did my eyebrows with this Maybelline brow pencil as well. That's the pencil that I regularly use, and I have a review on my channel if you want to go check that out. And then I applied my favorite eyeliner that I always use from Loreal. Next, I am doing some color correcting. I'm using LA Girl's Pro Concealer in color orange and yellow. I'm mixing it up. I usually don't color correct as much, but sometimes here and there I do like to color correct, and I felt like my dark circles around my eyes and the darkness around my mouth was kind of a little bit more intense. I think it happened because of my pregnancy, not enough rest and whatever reason, so I wanted to do a little bit color correcting. And I know that I went a little bit overboard with the orange one. I should have applied less. I started off with less and I just went too overboard, couldn't control myself. And then on top of the orange one, I'm applying the yellow one. I feel like that gives a better coverage or color correcting experience for me, so I like to mix those up. And then I'm going in with my Healthy Elixir foundation that I really love. I think I have a review on that one as well. I'll leave the link down below in the description box. You can check that out. I'm just using a beauty blender to blend that out. To set my face, I'm going in with Maybelline Fit Me powder in color medium, and I'm just applying this with my beauty blender. I like how the finish looks when I apply it with a beauty blender, especially when I want a little bit more coverage, a little bit more smoothness under my eyes. So I'm just applying it under my eyes, around my mouth, a little bit on the forehead, and basically the places I usually get a little bit oily. My face is not that oily, so I don't really need to set too much. And then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contouring Kit, and I'm taking the middle color here, the cool tone brown color, and just using that color to contour my face. I'm also applying this color around my forehead and kind of around the perimeter of my face. I also like to apply it under my chin just to give it a nice shadow. And then I'm also contouring my nose with this powder. I'm taking an eyeshadow brush from Urban Decay. It came in with one of my Naked palettes. I'm just using the flat side to draw the contour lines, and I'm taking the fluffier side to blend it out. I'm also going to reverse contour with Fit Me powder, as you will see soon. I'll use the same brush just to give it more of a blended and smooth look so that the contour lines don't look too harsh. I'm not very good at nose contouring, so I'm kind of trying different techniques to see what works for my nose, trying my best to get better at it. Then I'm taking Milani Rose Blush Trio. I love this palette, and I'm taking the middle color to apply on the apples of my cheek, and then I'm taking this liquid highlighter drop from Makeup Revolution in color Champagne. I just recently got it. This is my first time trying it. I like it, but I think I like the Wet n Wild liquid highlighter a little bit more than this one. It's easier to blend, I figure. And then I went with Kat Von D Fetish palette, highlighter palette, but it was kind of too glittery for my liking for this look. So I went with my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter that I really love. This is in Molten Gold, and I just applied it over the liquid highlighter I placed earlier. And then I'm taking this matte bone color from my favorite Milani Most Loved Mattes palette, and I'm just using that color to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm going in with the same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter to highlight my brow bone and the inner corners as well. Next, I'm going with the pink mauve color from the Dose of Colors palette, and I'm just applying it on the lower lash line. And then I'm taking the brown color to intensify the outer corner. I kept the lower lash line pretty simple, just wanted to smoke it out a little. Then I went ahead and curled my lashes and applied a few coats of the Essence Lash Princess mascara on the top and the bottom lashes. For my lips, I went in with the NYX Lingerie lip combination of the lip pencil and the matte liquid lipstick. I forgot the name of the color on top of my head, but I'll link it down below. Sorry, my lips were so chapped I didn't notice until later on. Then I picked up a different color. I'll link both the names down below or somewhere on the screen for you so that you guys know what colors I used. After I applied these two colors, I love the colors, but since my lips were so chapped, I decided to go in with a gloss. So I took this Naked gloss. I will also put the name of this color down in the description box somewhere as well. So that's it basically. I went ahead and applied some false lashes off camera. I'm not good at applying lashes, so I always do that off camera. The lashes I used here is from Kiss. It's their Blowout lashes. So yeah, that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.